guys, and welcome to our video.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make a very easy and eggless Nutella mug cake.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.
So let's get cooking.
To make this Nutella mug cake, you will need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda, and sift it. Give it a good mix.
Hey guys, it's Cushy now. First I'm going to transfer the mixture into the mug that I want to make my cake in. Now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and pour it into the mixture. And then I'm going to mix it well, making sure that I don't get any lumps. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk, but first I'm only adding 2 and then mixing it so that I don't get any lumps, and then I'm going to add the third one. You want to mix the batter until it has a smooth consistency that is similar to mine. Then you're going to take a spoonful of Nutella and pour it into the middle of the cake. If you want it to be more chocolatey, you can also add more Nutella than I am. So then you're just going to push it in with the help of a spoon and then add a few chocolate chips to top it off. Now you want to go ahead and put your cake in the microwave. I have a 1500 watt microwave, so I'm going to leave my cake in for 1 minute. But if you have less watts in your microwave, you might have to leave it in for a little bit longer. And your mug cake is done.